Okay, we're going to give you some behind the scenes stuff today. Saturday morning. What do I do on Saturday morning? So all week long, I'm uploading my shopful videos, like 5 to 10 a day, hopefully, based on what I'm doing. But then what I do is I open up a bunch of tabs on Saturday. I open up my Amazon storefront. I open up my YouTube channel, right? Let's close that out, right? And I open up Canva. I open up my new favorite tool, GPT, right? And we get ready to go to upload. So I get my copyright rights to all my videos for my Amazon. So everything's up on Amazon already. So what I do is I'm going to come over to, we're going to go to my Amazon videos to see. So I got a bunch of stuff in review from yesterday, right? So I'm up to the stainless steel refrigerator. So we're going to pop that up. And of course, I'm going to give myself a like. I don't know if that helps or not, but we can always help. I'm going to open up the refrigerator so that I have the information, right? So now I'm going to take top freezer, right? And I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go over to Chat GPT and I'm going to say, write me a YouTube title optimized for search. And that's with a Z, optimized, right? Yeah. Optimized for search in under 100 copy this and paste that for the following, then paste that in there and do it. Okay, that's pretty good. There's your title, right? So there's your title. Come over here. Now we're going to upload the video. Upload videos. Looking for, where is stainless steel refrigerator? Now it's a short video, so I'm not going to be able to do a thumbnail for it. Okay, but let's get rid of this and let's put in the title that they just gave me, right? Now, so then I'm going to go back over to the listing. I'm going to take this, copy this. We're going to go down and look to see if there's any other descriptions, product description. This is what I want. So I'm going to take this, copy this, go back over to ChatGPT, and it's write me a YouTube description. I'm not a very good typer. Description. Optimized for SEO. Written in a easy to understand short sentences for the following. Right here. This is an amazing tool. Optimized for SEO, right? Now I'm still trying it out. So now we just copy this. Go back over to our YouTube video. Come down here. We're going to paste it in as our description, right? Now somewhere in here, looking for the food, look no further. All right. Then the Kenmore top freezer refrigerator. Then we're going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Go back over to the listing. Right, come up here to the site stripe. We want to get that off-site traffic. text, grab your link, go back over to the YouTube, and pop that in there. Right, now you're going to go, well, obviously you would, if it wasn't a short, I'd be putting a thumbnail, but you can't do a thumbnail for a short. You want to put it on, I got appliances, put it on a playlist. Right, now I got to go down here for myself. You're going to start putting on some tags. Tags aren't so important. But I want to make sure, see, I have Creative Commons. We want to make sure that says standard YouTube license so that they can't copyright you. All right. And then you're going to go to video element or add suitability. We didn't do that yet. Come down here and none of the above, submit rating. You know the rest. Okay. We're going to do an end screen. We always want to do end screens. We want to put an element. We want to put a subscribe, give them a chance to subscribe. And we want to do the latest video. Best for most recent upload or best for viewer. Let's do best for viewer. That gives them a chance to decide what's best for whoever it is watching the video. So then we come here, we hit public if you want to, schedule it, but that's it. And that took a couple of minutes, not bad, but you got a good SEO title, you got a good SEO description, right? And now, of course, you can go and share it to your Facebook, your Pinterest, your TikTok, and all that other good stuff. There you go. Post it to Facebook. Post it to all of these places: Pinterest, Twitter, Tumblr, LinkedIn, all you want to do. There you go. It's behind the scenes. I'm going to go finish up and do the rest of them that I did over the week. To sit down for an hour, Saturday morning, hour, maybe 2 hours, and get, the 30, 40 videos I did this week and upload them to YouTube. Happy uploading.